Our project is entitled Car Purchase System, and we chose to sell 7 types of Honda brand new car. So first of all, our program starts with the required information from the customer, such as their name, phone number, and home address. The customer then need to state their budget for the car, and we will provide the best car within their budget range. Then the system will ask the customer whether they want to take a loan or not, and their preferred down payment amount, also the color and add-on kits. Moreover, the customer also needs to fill in how many years they would like to finish the loan, and by the end, the system will display the description of the chosen car and the invoice, with all the information given from the customer, including the total car price as the output screen.
Okay, objective for our project is first, enable customer to input the budget and view Honda car model that fit within that budget easily. Second, offer choices between full payment and loan financing, including detailed calculation for loan principal, monthly payment and interest rate. Third, provide flexibility for customer to select car colors and add-on kits, enhancing the personalization of their vehicle purchase.
Okay, next we're gonna talk about process project for our coding. Okay, to begin with our flowchart, we have 4 functions. As a 4 function, the 4 function is, for the first one, we have function to calculate monthly payment for loan. The second, we have function for our invoice. And the third one, we have function to show all the car lists. And lastly, we have function for phone number. Next, we have welcoming message for our user. As you guys can see in the picture, it's about welcome to Honda car dealership. Then after we welcoming our customer, we will ask the customer to enter their names. After they enter their name, we will ask the customer to enter their phone number. Okay, in this phone number, there's a loop, which is if the customer enter wrong format for phone number, it will ask the customer to enter it again. Okay, then we also ask for the customer for their address so that we can use it later on. After the address, we will ask the customer to enter their budget. If their budget is not enough, we will looping and we will ask them to increase their budget until their budget meets our car price. Our car price. And if their budget is meet our car price, and then we will show all the car lists. After the customer key in their budget, we will show them our listed car. But we use switch case statement because we only show car according to their budget. If their car is not meet with our budget, if the budget is not meet with our car price, it will not show up to customer. And after the customer make a choice of their chosen car, there will be some description for the car, and then we will ask the customer to choose color. But they are only limited colors such as gray, red, blue. And if the customer enter incorrect format for our color, then we will ask again the customer to key in again. After that, we will ask the customer to either they want to take a loan or not. If no, then we'll go to full payment option. And if yes, we will go to loan option. Okay, if the customer choose to pay their car by loan, we will ask the customer to enter their down payment. And then we will also ask the customer to enter loan terms in years. Usually it's only for 15 to 25 years. And as you guys can see in the green box, these are the process for calculation for loan. Okay, after we ask the customer for their loan details, we will ask the customer if they want to add on any additional kits such as tinted windows, wipers. But if the customer didn't want to add anything, they will have to enter N, and it will show them their current invoice detail. After we show them their current invoice detail, we also ask customer if they want to buy another car or remove their car, or also they want to check out for this coding. But if they choose to buy another car, we're looping up all the way up to enter their budget. But if not, if the customer want to remove their car, we'll show the list of the car so that the customer can choose which one of the car listed they want to remove from the card. we will ask the customer for which selected delivery they want. For the first one, we have pickup. So the customer have to pick up it themselves. Or the second one, we have home delivery cost. Okay, next, after we ask the customer about their selected delivery method, we will show them the invoice for their purchases. As you guys can see in the picture, we will show the customer details. We also will show them for their loan detail and also about their selected car. And we will end our invoice with thank you for visiting Honda Car dealership message. I think that's all for the flow chart. We go for the next slide. Let's go.
Looping in C++ refers to the process of executing a set of instructions repeatedly until a specific condition is met. In C++, it provides several types of loop. The first one is for loop. It executed a block of code a fixed number of times. The next one is while loop. It continuously executed a block of code as long as the condition is true. And the last one is do while loop. It is similar to while loop but ensure the code block is executed at least once before checking the condition. In our coding, there are several places where we use do while loop. The first place where we use loop is to validate the user's phone number. So if the customer put an invalid phone number, like there's not enough digit, or they put other characters than digits, then we will show them that it is an invalid phone number. The next one, we use loop to ensure users enter a budget that can purchase at least one car. So the system will ask the customer to enter their budget for purchasing our car and display the available Honda car based on the user's budget. If the budget is lower than any of our car prices, then the system will ask the customer to increase their budget and will show them the available Honda car and ask them to choose which one of the car they wanted.
Hi, we meet again. So I'm gonna explain you guys about function that we use in our coding. First of all, function is a block of instruction that carry out a particular task and is executed when it's called for some other point at the program. In our coding, there are several places where functions are used. We use user-defined function, which is a grouped code to perform a specific task. Okay, for the first one, we have calculate monthly payment. In this function, they stated that we use this for calculation about monthly payment. Okay, as for the second function that we use is function invoice for all the purchase car made by the user. This function we will use this for the last step of the coding. This function will show you about invoice for all the purchases car made by the user. Okay, next, as for the third function that we use function to display current list of the selected car. In this function, after the user choose their car, we'll show the selected car. We show the selected car about the car detail that we made by the user. Okay, and lastly, the function that we use is function to display either the user key in the correct format for a phone number or not. Okay, in this function, we use when we ask the customer to enter their phone number. If the customer enter a wrong format for their phone number, we will ask the customer to key in again their phone number until their format is correct. And also, if the customer enter any character or any object, we will also ask the customer to enter their phone number again. I think that's all for the function that we use in this coding. And all the function will be used according to their places and their functions.
Okay, here we have arrays. Arrays is a variable that can store multiple values of the same type. In our coding, there are several places where arrays are used, such as string Honda models. It is used to store available Honda models such as Civic, Accord, CR-V, Pilot, CD, Jazz, and HR-V. Next, we have string available color. It is used to store available color of car available such as red, silver, blue, white, black, gray, and orange. Next, we use arrays of string delivery method. It is used to store delivery methods such as pickup or home delivery. Next, we use string add-on kits. It is used to store choose of add-on kits such as tinted windows or wiper upgrade.
So, this is demo for our coding. First thing first, run the coding and you will show the output. First, enter your name, enter your phone number, and phone number must be 10 until 15 digit only. Next, enter your home address to make easy for us to send your car if you choose delivery method. Your budget for purchase car also need to enter. Then you will show the available car to you purchase. Just enter the number you want. After that, choose the color that do you prefer. And you will ask to take loan or not. If yes, enter your down payment amount. And enter the loan term in years. Then, you will ask if you want to add any additional keys and current invoice will be shown. After that, you will ask if you want to buy another car or not. Last, you need to choose delivery method. Then, invoice for all purchase car will be shown and you will know monthly payment for your purchase and your total purchase amount.
So, in conclusion, by using coding, we can provide complete functionality service from starting with client details input to the live invoice generation, precisely executing a user-friendly Honda vehicle dealership experience. It shows the latest trend in data management with arrays, input validation, sequential processing of customer interaction, and user interface design. All in all, it provides customers an organized and exciting environment in which they can explore and buy Honda vehicles according to their taste and financial situation.